How Leaders Gain and Lose It, Why People Demand It, by James Kushner and Barry Posner. Leadership is a relationship. Leadership is a relationship between those who aspire to lead and those who choose to follow. The majority of people looking for their leaders to be honest, forward-looking, inspiring, and competent. Credibility is foundational and earned over time. Credibility makes a difference. Credible leaders make positive differences in people's lives. Credible leaders inspire loyalty and commitment. Credible leaders sustain a person-to-person activity. There are 6 disciplines for earning and sustaining credibility. They are: discover yourself, appreciate constituents, affirm shared values, develop capacity, serve a purpose, and sustain hope. First is discover yourself, your credo. Your credo is the set of values and beliefs that serve as a guide to your decisions and actions. Your competencies are the knowledge, skills, and abilities that you use to transform your words into action. Your confidence is the will to make use of those skills. Appreciate constituents. Shift focus from self to others through values. Learn about others and how diversity enriches performance. Begin appreciation with listening. Promote constructive conversation and engender trust. Affirm shared values. Shared values are the foundation for building productive and genuine. Shared values are the internal compass that enables people to act interdependently and interdependently. Shared values provide groups with a common reference for making decisions and taking action. Develop capacities. We already understand what competency is. That is the knowledge, skills, and abilities you need to transform your words into actions. But we also have choice. Choice is when people have the latitude to make choices based on what they believe should be done. Then there's confidence. Your people will believe that they can do it. Climate. They need a culture that encourages some risk-taking and experimentation. Accepting mistakes as a chance to learn from experience. And finally, communication. Your people must be consistently informed about what is going on in order to keep up to date. Serve a purpose. Credible leaders go first. Credible leaders stay in touch. Credible leaders make impressions. And finally, credible leaders accept, admit, apologize, act, amend, and attune to their failures. Credible leaders also sustain hope. Credible leaders must keep hope alive. They must strengthen people's beliefs that they struggle, that they are called upon to deal with products will produce a more promising future. Keeping hope alive is essential to an active and healthy life. The end.